What is Stellar? At HubKoin, we support many types of cryptocurrencies, and as we evolve, we are adding more currencies to choose from. Our videos are not financial advice. The purpose of these videos is to help you on your own investing journey and to learn about the assets we support. This video will explain the basics of the Stellar network and its cryptocurrency Lumens, otherwise known as XLM. XLM is the native cryptocurrency of Stellar. Stellar is a blockchain-based payment network similar to Ripple. The goal of Stellar is to create a cheaper and faster way to make global payments. As with most cryptocurrencies, Stellar was heavily influenced by Bitcoin, but it is very different. Stellar has a different consensus protocol, or it works in a different way. Bitcoin uses a proof-of-work system. Stellar uses its own original system, the Stellar Consensus Protocol, and a proof-of-agreement consensus mechanism where trustworthy nodes validate the blocks and transactions. This system makes Stellar more environmentally friendly than many other blockchains. Stellar's story began in 2014 when Jed McCaleb left Ripple and joined with former lawyer Joyce Kim to create the Stellar platform. They collaborated with the CEO of Stripe, and they created the Stellar Development Foundation, a nonprofit organization Stellar launched in 2015. The Stellar Foundation, or SDF for short, explains on their website that SDF is a nonprofit organization created and structured to achieve a mission, creating equitable access to global financial systems through blockchain technology. Stellar's white paper goes into detail about the need for worldwide financial networks that are open to anyone. Stellar believed that some of today's financial systems aren't designed for everyone, and that by leveraging networks like Stellar, they could do their part to change that. And with that mission in mind, Stellar has collaborated with companies like IBM and Deloitte to launch banking and payment applications around the world. The Stellar network has created a new way for people to access systems that will allow them to participate in a global, stable financial network, no matter where they live. To make this project a reality, they committed to the development and growth of their network to help unlock the potential of builders and entrepreneurs worldwide who are solving the financial access problem for their communities. Earlier in the video, we mentioned that one of the founders of Stellar, Jed McCaleb, left Ripple to create Stellar. If you have questions about Ripple, you can check out our video on it. It's less than 5 minutes and it gives you a quick overview of the currency, XRP. The link to the video is in the description. There's a lot of information to dig into when it comes to Stellar, and we are barely scratching the surface. Although it has been influenced by Bitcoin, Stellar is faster, cheaper, and more efficient. The Stellar blockchain and its cryptocurrency Lumen have great potential and are already doing some amazing things. And we here at HubKoin will be watching to see how Stellar and its unique protocols and mechanisms influence cryptocurrencies in the future. We've reached the end of the video. We really appreciate your time, and if you liked this video, feel free to give it a like. You can also subscribe to our channel for more future crypto info videos. Thanks so much for sticking through to the end, and as always, remember, we're all learning together. Sources for this video are listed in the description. Thank you for watching.